Mmm. Hi friends, today we are going to cook cutlet dish, Schnitzel in German. These are the ingredients we need. We need oil, we need breadcrumbs, we need salt, we need flour. I have 6 pieces of egg with me. I have breadcrumbs, just as I told you before. We need some chicken, soft chicken. We need some chicken breast and chicken wings, just for this dish, but you can use any type of your choice. Now let's start. I'm going to turn on the gas. See the IF is nice. So I will take my oil. This is my oil. The quantity I want. Okay, this quantity will be enough. So what I will do next is to wash my chicken. So after washing, I take some kitchen paper. I have my kitchen paper with me. I will make sure I dry it with kitchen paper. Some don't like to wash, but I like to wash. So after drying with kitchen paper, I take my salt. I will put on the salt just like this, not so much ingredient. Then mix together. Very easy to make. So what I will do next, I crack some eggs on the bowl that is with me here. About 6 eggs. Mix well. So after mixing, first and first, you dip it in the flour, just rub it on the flour, then egg. Okay, I mix it inside the breadcrumbs. This is the chicken wing. I'm going to do the same to all. This one is the chicken breast. This is how it's cut. You can cut it yourself at home if you buy chicken breast in anywhere, or you tell them to cut it for you. So I mix it, I dip it inside the egg. Yes. Then inside the breadcrumb. I'm going to do the same to all. Now, we are done with the mixing. Let's start frying. Our oil is hot enough. So what are we going to use to eat it? I've boiled some potato already. I boil it with the bag. I did not peel the bag. So what am I going to do? I will make sure that I cut all into two. Some people don't like eating potato, but if you cook it this way, you will enjoy it. So now that we are done cutting, I have to take some oil, not just a little oil on the pan, the way you will fry it without not pouring a lot of oil. Just a little. Now. You take your potato. I'm using potato, I'm not using cheese. So this is still in some brown. When you need some brown, you will enjoy it very well with Schnitzel. So let's check if you have some brown. Not yet, you can turn it so that it is done very well. Okay, you can see it's sunny brown gradually. You can see on the potato it's sunny brown too. You can see it's sunny brown. So friends, we have done. This is the chicken that we fry and this is the potato. So let's test it. I can't wait to test it. Wow, this is the potato. Just take the quantity you want. Let's test it. Delicious. Weekend food is ready. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and watch out for the next one. God bless you. Bye.